Hey there! Today we're diving into Microsoft Whiteboard and OneNote, two powerful tools from Microsoft. Let's break them down and see which one suits your needs best. First up, we have Microsoft Whiteboard. It's a digital canvas built for brainstorming and teamwork. With an infinite workspace, you can draw, add sticky notes, insert images, and collaborate in real time with your team. It's perfect for quick sketches or group ideation sessions, especially in Microsoft Teams. Whiteboard shines on touch devices with pen support, but it's limited to Windows, iOS, and web with a Microsoft account. Next, we have Microsoft OneNote. This is a robust note-taking app designed for organizing your thoughts. You can create notebooks, add text, images, audio, PDFs, and even solve math equations. OneNote syncs across all platforms: Windows, Android, iOS, web, and more. It's great for personal productivity, detailed notes, and offers version history for tracking changes. So, how do they compare? Whiteboard is ideal for visual collaboration and brainstorming with teams, offering a free-form canvas but fewer features for complex notes. OneNote excels at structured note-taking, multimedia support, and personal organization with broader platform availability. For quick group ideas, pick Whiteboard. For detailed long-term notes, OneNote's your go-to. That's it, guys. Choose Whiteboard for team brainstorming or OneNote for organized note-taking. Which one's your favorite? Let us know below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.